expedition yacht MARCATO is just returning from a 12,000-mile voyage from Florida to Patagonia in the south of Chile. This is the sort of global exploration that many yacht owners dream of, but only a few have a vessel that can safely and comfortably undertake such an expedition. MARCATO's 5 cabins can accommodate 12 guests along with 7 crew in supreme comfort. But the real beauty of this vessel lies in its ocean crossing range and its ability to carry along tenders and toys that a 60-meter yacht would have trouble accommodating. The yachtsman who built MARCATO was an engineer who had owned a number of yachts and knew exactly what he wanted. He was an owner that not only piloted his own yacht, but he also spent many hours in the engine room and technical spaces where the machinery was a major source of pride for him. He picked a very capable Canadian shipyard for the construction. This is a commercial yard that builds rugged all-weather vessels for the Canadian Coast Guard. He had very specific requirements that included low maintenance and operating costs and an 8,000-mile range with a matching endurance to support that many days at sea. He liked to cruise the Bahamas and designed the vessel to be shallow draft, but have ballasting and stabilizers for maximum stability. He was a tall man, and so ceiling heights are above average, especially when compared to most European yachts. The result is that MARCATO is one of the most capable expedition yachts ever built, and the current owner and his wife, who fell in love with the vessel for its capabilities, then took it to the next level with a complete interior refit to suit their tastes. They also redefined the owner's deck to add a private sky lounge and a completely private owner's aft deck. There's nothing like MARCATO on the market today in the US or Europe.